Welcome back as we next look at the general procedures, including some helpful tips for installing conduit in ceilings. Wireways connecting light fittings and socket outlets to the distribution board are generally run in the roof space above the ceiling boards. Since the space in roofs is limited, conduit runs are usually positioned centrally beneath the roof apex to provide for better accessibility. Branches off the main conduit run are made using connection boxes. Above ceiling conduit is generally rested upon the roof trusses. Where the trusses are spaced more than 1 meter apart, then the conduit must be secured with saddle clamps. Back entry connection boxes are installed in the ceiling where light fittings are terminated. Light fitting boxes must be set flush with the lower edge of the ceiling board brandering to prevent them interfering with the fitment of the boards. To prevent movement of conduit and connections, the connection boxes should be secured, wherever possible, upon battens. When you are working in a roof above a ceiling, take great care and avoid stepping on or placing any weight upon the ceiling boards. Ceiling boards are generally made of gypsum, which is not at all strong, and therefore will not support any weight. As you move around in the roof, be very careful and try to keep to the main roof trusses or the visible brickwork. Other than cramped conditions, there is no difference in working in a ceiling or at ground level. All jointing and assembly work will be identical to the procedures that you have been shown already in previous programs. Let's review the main points about ceiling installations. Conduit runs can be rested upon roof trusses and require saddling only if the trusses are spaced more than 1 meter apart. Back entry boxes or end fittings must be fitted flush to the brandering. Connection boxes should, wherever possible, be secured upon battens. Conduit runs should be made neatly and as straight as possible. Avoid haphazard layouts. When moving around in a roof space, be very careful and keep any weight off the ceiling boards. All connections must be made properly using the methods and procedures taught in programs 1 and 2 of this series. Practice the procedures that we have described and demonstrated in these programs under the guidance of your instructor or supervisor. This brings us to the end of the series concerning basic conduit work. Join us in other Tech AV programs designed to help improve your knowledge and skills in technical subjects.